Okay, so I've had a couple times where people asked me about the reservation system. How I have a pass, I have a ticket. How do I make the reservation? So I'm gonna take a couple minutes here. I really slow it down and make sure you know how to make a reservation, change a reservation, and for me, most importantly, cancel a reservation. I'm going to start this video with how to do this from the computer and go immediately to how to do it from the app. Just because I feel like the computer is harder to start this process. So I went to Disneyland.com. It automatically redirects you to this website. And if you scroll all the way down, this is the easiest way I found to do it. You'll see tickets and reservation details. You click on that link there, and it takes you to this page right here. From here, you're just going to follow the rest of this video the same way that the app is. It all coincides with it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do reservations is open up your Disneyland app. So it opens up, you got your home screen. There's me. Hello, Ryan. Hello. You're going to go down to the bottom right here. I call this the hamburger button. I think other people might call it that too. Whatever you call that, that one in the bottom right with the 3 lines. And it'll take you up to here. You got all this information up here. You'll want to scroll down to where it says plan my next visit right here. And you could either buy tickets, do park reservations, or look to see if there's Magic Key Passes available. Today, we are going to look at park reservations. Right here, it'll have you either purchase a ticket or make or modify park reservations. Now, I already have a Magic Key. This will go the same way if you already purchased tickets. You will go to make or modify park reservations. It will go to the website, and then it'll take you here to my theme park reservations. Now, there's a couple things here. If you have a ticket or Magic Key Pass, you will do this first one. If you're a theme park resort guest, but we are going to do book theme park reservation because we have a ticket or a Magic Key Pass. In my case, I have a Magic Key Pass. And this screen will load up. We have my Magic Key Pass right there, and then we have the rest of my family below me. So we will select myself. We will scroll down until you see, and if you need to link a ticket or Magic Key Pass, you would do it from here. So let's actually look at that real quick if you haven't linked your ticket yet. And that will take you to this screen right here. Please enter your ticket or pass number. So you can see the sample ticket showing where to find it. You would put that ID number into here, and then you would go to continue from there and a couple other steps from there. But let's assume that we already have our tickets linked. So we have myself selected. We are going to click next, and it'll take you to this screen here where it shows you all the dates that are available. Here they are right here. Now I am going to just pick a random day here. So I'm going to do the 16th, and it'll show me the eligible parks. And actually you can see eligible parks here. The little Ferris wheel with the Mickey inside of it, that is if there's availability for California Adventure. The little castle is if there's availability for Disneyland. You can see on the 26th right here, Disneyland is fully booked, so there's only availability for DCA. And these ones with the slashes through them, that means there's no availability or you're blocked out. It's one of those two. So here's what we'll select. I am going to say we are going to Disneyland Park. So I'm going to select Disneyland Park. It says selected. So we go next. And then it will say review your selections. We are not done yet. Review your selections. You have your reservation date, selected park, my party. That's me. If you have selected more, it'll have everybody in your party that's selected. You do have to select that box and tap on confirm. And now your theme park reservation is confirmed. It has a reservation number. It has the where the email is going to go to. So now I'm going to go to view my theme park reservations. So from here, I'm going to scroll down, and I can see that there it is, September 16th. I have those reservations. Now let's say, oh no, I cannot go, which I cannot go. So we are going to go through this together. So we are going to modify the reservation. So if I select myself, you can either select all, unselect all. If you have everybody that you're going to modify, I'm going to tap on next. And you can change the date of when you want to go. So let's say I want to go on the 17th instead, and we're going to go to Disneyland Park still. I picked the wrong date. Oh no. And here's your new reservation. You do have to scroll down and still tap on confirm. So confirm, it has been updated. Now I go to view my park reservations. We should not have one on the 16th, and we should now have one on the 17th, but oh no, I can't go on the 17th, so I need to cancel. So I will tap on cancel reservation. I will tap on anybody who needs to cancel. So say only one person in your party needs to cancel, you would only tap on that one. But if you need everybody to cancel, or however many people you need to cancel for that, you select that many people, and then you tap on next. There's the reservation date, the selected park. Remove these guests from the theme park reservation. That's me. I'm going to tap confirm. Your theme park reservation has been updated. I'm going to tap on done. It'll take me back to the theme park reservations. I'll scroll down, and the 17th is no longer there. So that is how you do it. I know that one was a little bit longer, but thank you for sticking around. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more Dads at Disney tips.